Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to explore one of Excel's most fascinating logical tools, the not or not equal to operator. Okay? Now, the not function returns the opposite result of a logical expression. So, basically, it changes false to true or true to false. Okay? And it's referred to as an operator since it's commonly used within logical test argument of an if function. Now let's see how this works with the help of a data. Okay, now here you can see that we have got a basic data of some product, its category, and the stock quantity of each of those products. Okay, very basic data. We have around 10 products lined up, and we would see how we could use the not or not equal to function. Okay, now let's start with a simple task. Let's identify products that are not in stock. Okay, so we are going to focus on the stock quantity field for now. Right, now each value in the stock quantity column represents the number of items that are in stock. Right, now if we put a basic filter in this, we will see that the stock quantity ranges from 0 to 100. So there are products which has got no stock, that is they are not in stock, which shows 0. Then there are different items of different quantity of products that are there in the stock, and the max number of items that are there is 100. Okay, now since we are trying to find out the items that are in stock, let's create a column to the right and let's call it status column. So this column is the status column. Okay, let's remove the filter for the time being. Now as long as the quantity is in 0, then the status for that particular product would be in stock, and if the quantity is 0, then we would call it out of stock. Right, so this is a perfect situation to use the not function. So how do we write it? So we start with equal if, so it is housed within the if function. We'll open the bracket and then we need to get in the logical test. Now in place of the logical test, we'll get the not function. So not, now not again has one logical argument. So not the value of cell D2, which is the stock quantity, equals to 0. Remember, it turns true to false and false to true. So if D2 is not equal to 0, that is if stock quantity is not equal to 0, what do we say then? We'll say in stock. Okay, or else what is the false part? This is if stock quantity is 0, then we'll say out of stock. We'll close the quotes, close the bracket, hit our enter key, and there you go. And if you want to check the status for the other products, we'll just double click on the small square that you have on the bottom right corner of the cell where we have put in the formula. Okay, so you can check that the products which have 0 quantity, let's mark them. So these are the products which are out of stock. Right, so our formula has worked perfectly. There you go, isn't it? So this is how you use the not function. Now the same thing can be expressed with the help of a not equal to operator. Right, so this is what we had written in the not function. Equal if, then within the logical argument we have said not D2 is equal to 0. Whatever is the true part, it stays in stock, and the false part is out of stock. And now if you are using not equal to operator, then this would be the syntax. Okay, now let's check out how it is played out in the Excel sheet. Now let's clear out our not function from the status. We'll just press F2 and let's clear out the not function, right? Now in the logical test part, we'll just write if D2 is not equal to 0, then in stock, and otherwise it is out of stock. So it gives you the same result. If you just double click on the little green square that you see, it gives you the same result, but now you have used the not equal to operator. Okay, so this is how you can use the not function or the not equal to operator. So try that out.